Today, I'll show you how to pre-order on Amazon. Pre-ordering can be a great way to ensure you get your hands on a highly anticipated product the moment it becomes available. Whether it's the latest book, a groundbreaking piece of technology, or a new video game, pre-ordering guarantees that you won't miss out when the item hits the shelves. So let's dive into the process of pre-ordering on Amazon with this simple guide. First, you need to find the item you're interested in pre-ordering. Head over to Amazon and use the search bar to look for the product that hasn't been released yet. Pre-order items are often marked with a pre-order now button instead of the usual add to cart option. This indicates that while the item is not yet released, you can still reserve your copy by pre-ordering it. It's a good idea to double check that this button is available to ensure you can proceed with your pre-order. Once you've found your desired product, the next step is to check the release date. Amazon conveniently displays the expected release date near the price of the item. This is an important detail as it gives you an idea of when you can expect the product to be shipped. Knowing the release date helps you plan ahead, especially if the item is a gift or if you want to be among the first to enjoy it. Now that you've confirmed the release date, it's time to complete your pre-order. Click the Pre-order Now button and you'll be directed to a familiar checkout page just like any regular purchase on Amazon. Follow the usual checkout steps, entering your shipping information, selecting your payment method, and confirming your order. Once you've completed the checkout process, you will receive a confirmation email. This email serves as a receipt of your pre-order, so keep it handy for your records. After completing your pre-order, all that's left to do is wait for the shipment. As the release date approaches, Amazon will process your payment and prepare to ship the item. Typically, you won't be charged until the product is ready to ship, ensuring that you only pay when the item is on its way to you. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your pre-order status or shipment details. Pre-ordering on Amazon is a straightforward process that ensures you'll be among the first to receive new and exciting products. By following these steps, you can easily secure your pre-order and look forward to the release date with anticipation. Remember, pre-ordering can also help you avoid potential stock shortages, especially for popular items. So next time you spot something you're eager to get your hands on, don't hesitate to pre-order it on Amazon. I hope this guide has been helpful in walking you through the pre-order process on Amazon. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.